Hi everyone, Marcy here, myprettyposhprincess.com, and I'm hopping on super quick. If you subscribe to our Instagram and obviously if you follow us here on Facebook, you saw that I just did an update showing these new release silicone teether pendants. These are super exclusive. They are super hard to find minus, well, this in particular one. There's a lot of different alpacas, but this one in particular, super exclusive. So what we have in stock is what we have right now. It's all that I could get from the manufacturer. Hopefully they are going to use the mold. They're going to make some more, but for now, what we have is what we have. So if you love any of these silicone teethers, you need to get them as soon as possible, because lately our teethers have been selling out in less than 12 hours of a new release. So keep that in mind. If you have a pen and paper, write this down, or you can just go to our Instagram post or our Facebook post. It will link you directly to these items. These teepees, which come in light blue, pale pink, cotton candy, white, black, mint, sky blue, dark pink, and gray. The SKU for that is SP136. Then we have these little pugs, or I guess you could call them bulldogs if you want. They come in the black and the blue and gray. And those are SP135 for the SKU. And then our cute little alpaca, SP138. Lots of texture. And these and the teepees are probably the most exclusive. It's super, super, super hard to find them. There's only one manufacturer for them right now for this mold. So these are adorable. Look at how cute they are. And the SKU for these are SP137. We could only get 10 in each of these colors. That's all we have. It took a month to get them. Hopefully the factory will be producing more. But as of right now, this is it. They're super exclusive. So if you have been wanting sunglasses or pugs or alpacas or these adorable teepees, or if you didn't know you were wanting them and now you do, head to the website, myprettyposhprincess.com, SKU 136, 137, 138, and 135, or you can find the direct links in our latest Instagram post or right here on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching. Head over there and get yours now, because I promise that some of these are going to sell out tonight. So myprettyposhprincess.com. As always, we appreciate each and every one of you, all of your orders. You keep us busy. We totally love that. And I hope that you have a fantastic weekend. myprettyposhprincess.com. Bye, everyone.